ଆଜି ପବିତ୍ର ଶିବରାତ୍ର ଉତ୍ସବ ଉପଲକ୍ଷେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଖ୍ୟାତିସମ୍ପନ୍ନ 12 ଜଣ ଶିଳ୍ପୀଙ୍କର ଏକ ଚିତ୍ର ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନୀ ମୁଁ ଉଦ୍ଘାଟନ କଲି। ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଏହି ଖ୍ୟାତିସମ୍ପନ୍ନ ଯୁବଶିଳ୍ପୀମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର କଳା ବିଶ୍ୱବନ୍ଦିତ ହେଉ, ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ନାମକୁ ଆହୁରି ସୁଦୂର ପ୍ରସାରିତ କରନ୍ତୁ।
Shiva. On the occasion of Mahashivaratri, the 5-Minute Art Foundation for the Welfare of the World appealed to miracle through painting. Shiva is the source of all energy. The artist is very conscious of his faith in God and in his creative thoughts and consciousness. So on this Mahashivaratri, Mr. Janardhan Paramguru, the founder of 5 Minutes Art, emphasized virtue art and exhibited virtual art in an innovative endeavor, with the message of good wishes for the country and the world to be remembered in the colorful canvas. The artist called for an example of an affordable style. The great artists who have met their artistic creations, the audience of art lovers in this spiritual faith, are well known in the world of painting. These artists have always been active in the workplace and have been raising awareness about the festival and social welfare of Odisha through their own pictures. This virtual painting exhibition will be visible to everyone from 5 p.m. onwards. 5 Minute Arts YouTube channel.